Hey everybody, it's my week 3 discussion on communication channel models. First, I wanted to talk about the media deciding factors when interpreting messaging or communication to determine which media would be most efficient to discuss, convey points or messages on. So the first factor here would be richness. That would just have to do with how complicated the message would be. If it's something small or simple, it can be communicated directly, or if it's something more complex, perhaps that would change the scenario or best possible media to use. And, moreover, if these messages would be serious or casual within their complexity or simplicity, on the contrary. Next would be context. So that would have to do with relationships with the other parties we're communicating with. Are they close with us, a coworker, colleague? Are they a client? Are they higher up, part of management or ownership? So I think all these things become pertinent in the decision which media to use. Rules being the next factor. Do we have internal boundaries by company policies? Is this a client to where we have practices on best pieces and ways to communicate? So that's another decision-making aspect. And for my model, I put together kind of an incremental format of ways to match media communication, digital platforms. So professionally serious, call the first category, and then delivering undesirable news, or maybe super complicated points. So perhaps a video call or a concise yet noteworthy email could do the trick with these. A formal would be the next step, and that could be addressing new policies, either a restructure of pricing with a customer or something internally that's changing within a company. The next would be peer-to-peer, and that would be just conveying information between colleagues. That could be done in a memo format or a group email, perhaps a group text even. Informal call, hypothetically just discussing weekend plans with coworkers. That could be done through a instant or direct message chat or just text. And then kind of the last piece of media here would just be on a personal level, which would be done between friends and family. So these would be my model for today and my discussion. I appreciate you guys listening.